What's up guys, today we're having a look at GoPro's new offering on the market, which is a Hero 5. We're having a look at the black today. I'm just going to show you what's in the box, and I'll do a review later on once I've got it up and running and you can see what it's like. But for today we're just going to have a look at what comes in the box. So this particular version has got the LCD as standard on the back. It's waterproof as standard. If you go, I think it's up to 10 meters, but if you go any deeper you need a housing. So we will take a look and see what comes in the box. If I can get it out. Nothing in there. So there's the camera itself. That comes with a mount. That's the on-off button. What have we got there? There's the lens. The ports there. I'll pop this in. So it comes with a set of instructions. We've got two mounts. One, two sticky mounts. USB connector. And one battery, which is absolutely tiny. What else have we got in here? That's it. Get rid of that. So one set of instructions. One battery. Two mounts. One USB cable. And the camera itself. So this is the black version, as I was saying. If we take another look around it, we can have a little bit of a better look. Will that come open or not? I can't get that open at the moment. No, I'll come back to that. So there we go, that's what you get in the box. Not a lot really, I suppose, but there we go.